Hello everyone, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a partition of disk on an installed window. Here you can see that I have 3 partitions and I am creating a new partition of C drive. So first of all, right click on the window icon and then click on Disk Management. Now I am creating a partition of D drive. Right-click on the D drive and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space in MB that you want in new partition. Then click on Shrink. Here you can see that the drive is shrinked. Right-click on Unallocated and select New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Assign the volume letter. Click on Next. And finally your partition is created. If you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for further new videos.